This is a used 2009 Mazda 6 Zoom Zoom, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.